Cameras roll.
Can you introduce yourself and your role here?
My name is Juan Tavares. I'm a senior materials engineer at Icon, and I work in the strategic R&D department. And my role in Icon is to develop the new generations of cementation systems that are compatible with our current and future technologies. I was motivated to join Icon because Icon has the technology and the materials to address the global housing crisis. And I think that with my knowledge and experience, I can help this goal to be accomplished. I love the culture of our team because it's a young team that has a lot of talented people, but we're also visionaries. So they have a lot of experience in different fields, from hardware through software and materials. We love what we do, but most importantly, we just have fun at work. Come and join us and contribute to something that will change the future of the humankind.